Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ashmita here. In this video, we are going to discuss about the next data type in Python, that is list. Lists are used to store the multiple items in a single variable. And lists are one of the four built-in data types in Python used to store the collections of data. And the other three are like tuple, set and dictionary, which we will be discussing in the further videos. List items are ordered, changeable and allow the duplicate values. Ordered means when we say that the lists are ordered, it means that the item have a defined order and that order will not change. If you add new item to a list, the new item will be placed at the end of the list. Changeable means that we can change, add and remove the items in a list after it's been created. Allow the duplicates. Since the lists are indexed, list can have the items with the same value as well. So now let's see how to create a simple list. Now we'll go to our Google Colab and start writing the code. Now just let's create a simple list over here. Let's initialize with A, and the list is created in the square brackets. It will be enclosed with the square brackets. Suppose let's give numbers over here 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you wanted to give this string values, we have to make sure that it should be enclosed with the double quotes or it with the single quotes. Suppose here I am giving Python. Now let's print this list, print A. Now let's run the code. So here we got the list 1, 2, 3, 4 and string value, that is Python. Now if you want to access any of the elements from the list, simply you can give the index value from here to till this end. If you want to print the values, you can give just print. You have to give the index values from where you want to print. I want to print from 0 to 3. Now let's run this. Here we got the values from index 0 to 3. So we know that all the index will start from 0. Next, if you want to replace any value, like if you want to replace this one value with some other value, we can replace that value as well, just simply giving A. We have to give in which position you want to replace. We have to give the index number as well. Suppose this index number is 0. I want to replace this one with some other value. Suppose you have to give your index value and which number you want to replace it. So suppose I want to replace with 23. Now you just print the list. Here you can see that the 1 is replaced with 23. Like this you can replace the n number of elements as well. Next we have another method that's called append. If you want to append any value at the end of the list, you can just use a.append method, and you can just simply give the value 34 and print the list. Now let's run. So the number is added in the list at the. Now suppose if you want to insert any value, any element in between the list, you can use the insert method, a.insert, and we have to specify the position, in which position you want to place that element. Suppose I want to place that element in the position of 0th index, 36 value. Now let's simply just print that 8th element, 8th list. Here you can see in the position of 0, it's placed 36. Now if you want to remove the element from the position, 0, you can just use the pop method as well. Pop, in which position you want to remove it. I want to remove the 36 from the 0th position. Now just print this list. Here you can see the 36 element is removed from the list. Now if you want to clear the list, you can use this method, a dot clear method. Simply just writing clear, and now let's print it. Here we'll be getting the empty list. So it's removed all the elements in the list. Clear is used for removing all the elements in the list. As we have different methods in the list, we have already seen what is append, clear. Next we have copy. Copy is used to return the copy of the list, like duplicating the list. Next we have count. Count is what it returns the number of elements with a specified value. Next we have extend. Extend is used to add the elements of a list to the end of the current list. We can add the elements using this method, extend. Next we have index. Index is used to return the index of the first element with a specified value. We have already seen what is insert, what is pop. Remove. It removes the specified value. Next we have reverse. Reverse is the reversing the order of the list. We can reverse the order of the list, or else if you want to sort the elements in the list, we can use the sort method to sort the elements in the list. Do practice using all these methods and try with some other examples. Thank you everyone. Hope you people like it.